How to buy Uber Eats gift card. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Now type in Amazon and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on this one, amazon.com. Once you open it, you will land to the official website of Amazon. Now at the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Uber Eats gift card and search for it. Now click on this option, Uber Eats gift card. Open it. Now from this page, you can select the gift card design. Likewise, scroll down, you can select an amount. And now you have to fill this. Enter an email for each recipient. Likewise, type in your name over here. You can type in your message over here. Enter the quantity and select the date to be sent. Once you fill all this, click on the option of buy now. With that, you will be able to buy Uber Eats gift card. So this is how you can easily buy Uber Eats gift card. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.